So for this video, we will talk about arithmetic sequence. So ang formula sa arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Where ang a sub n is the nth term sa atong sequence. Ang a sub 1 is the first term sa atong sequence. Ug ang d is the common difference. Then ang atong n dinhi, that's your term. Okay? That's the number of terms. So for example, this question, how many terms are there in an arithmetic sequence with first term is 5, the common difference is negative 3, and the last term is negative 76. So ang ato dang first term kay 5. So ang atong A1, first term is 5. Ang common difference, which is atong D, kay negative 3. Then ang atong last term, ang atong AN, kay negative 76. So, pangitao nato how many terms. Okay? So, using this formula, AN, so atong AN is negative 76. 76 equals A1, atong A1 is 5, plus N, so kiling N atong pangitaon, minus 1 times D, which is the common difference nga, negative 3. So, karon ato lang na siyang i-distribute ang atong negative 3 dinhi sa atong n minus 1. So, mahimo na day na siyang negative 76 is equal to 5. That's negative times n. So, that is now negative 3n. Then, ang atong negative 3, negative 1, negative times negative is positive. So, plus 3. Then, we will simplify 5 plus 3. So, we will first copy the negative 76 is equal to 5 plus 3. That's 8 minus 3n. And then, we will transpose our 8 to the other side. So, mahimo na siyang, mahimo na ng negative 76 minus 8 is equal to negative 3n. So, negative 76 minus 8, so that is negative 84 is equal to negative 3n. So, divided by negative 3n para makuha na nato si n. So, si n now is, n is equal to 28. So, ang atong terms, the total number of terms is 28.